Hello, everyone. All right, so I'm going to make egg muffins today, and this is mostly for Megan because Megan doesn't know how to cook egg muffins. But I got the bacon going, bacon, sausage crumble bits, whatever. Y'all don't make fun of all my candles because, listen, this is a seasonal candle, and I want to make sure I have enough to last me the whole year, so I just bought everything they had. Anyways, so I got some mini sweet peppers, spinach, cilantro. I got Parmesan cheese, and I also got some like Colby Jack, Monterey cheese. I got ham, seasonings, garlic, and you're gonna need a ton of eggs. So I'll go ahead and get started. Oh, and also you're gonna need 2 of the cupcake pans. You're gonna want to go ahead and get those well greased or sprayed so they don't stick. All right, so first lay down a little bit of sauce. You can mix, everybody makes their eggs however they want. So this is like obviously make it to your liking. But I like sausage, I like bacon, I like ham, especially being on keto. So I put like a scoop of each in each cupcake holder. I put some ham on each one, so a little mix of both. Got some extra left over. That'll go to the dog. She'll be happy. Next, we'll do peppers. All right, I just threw the peppers in. Next, we're gonna do some cheese. All right, Megan, cheese has been added. Next, we're going to add some cilantro, because why not? All right, cilantro's been added. You really only need like 1, maybe 2 leaves per each one, because cilantro is kind of strong. And remember, always clean as you go, because, Mom taught me right. You can add some spinach if you want. I'm probably only going to do it to about half of them, so, because some days you just don't feel like spinach. Let me get that added, and then I'll be right back. All right, spinach has been added. I got lazy. I didn't feel like putting it back in the bag, so I just went ahead and did all of them. You're going to need about 1 egg for each one. So I got 2 dozen over here. That should be enough, and let's get the eggs added in. All right, Megan, I hope you're paying attention because you told me your eggs turn out dusty and dry. So what I add is the buttery garlic, salt, pepper, and minced garlic. Add it to the eggs to your liking, and then you beat that shit up. All right, once it's all beat up, then add it to the cupcake trays. See, I only did about 6 eggs at a time, so it filled up 6 trays. So like I said, about an egg per tray. All right, Megan, last step, very important. Set the oven for 300 and, well, mine's still presetting, but 350 degrees for 20 minutes, and you will have breakfast for 2 weeks. Good to go.